Hello everyone. Do you want to fix settings keep stopping on Samsung Galaxy phone problem? If the setting not opening, then in this video I will show you how to fix settings keep stopping or unfortunately. Settings has stopped error that keeps on popping up in Samsung Galaxy phone. Settings not opening when you try to change some settings. So let us start step 1. It's very much possible that Digital Wellbeing app is causing the settings keep stopping error to show up. Go to the settings. Scroll down, and tap the apps section. Here just search for Digital Wellbeing. Now you need to tap on uninstall. Step 2. Now you need to restart your phone. After this, open settings and see if the error still shows up. I hope this video will help you. Thanks watching this video.